At Halfords, we stock a variety of e-bikes, electrically power-assisted bicycles making cycling slightly less tiring. With the price ranging from £600 to over £2,000, we have quite the selection. Let's begin with our electric hybrid bikes, this one being the Carrera Crossfire-e. This bike comes equipped with a 417 watt-hour battery that can power up to 60 miles of pedalling on a single charge, allowing you to keep up with your speedy friends or kids. The battery pack is removable for convenience and security. You don't have to bring the whole bike inside to charge it. The motor helps you as you pedal, but you can choose how strong the assistance is. Choose a lower mode for more exercise and a higher mode for more power. The Carrera Crossfire has many great features, including a digital display on the handlebar, which relays information like speed and mileage and allows you to control the assistance levels from the motor. If you're more of a mountain biker, then the Carrera Vulcan e-bike is for you. Its carefully balanced weight distribution and grippy 650B tyres give you the ultimate control on those tricky trails. For the city commuters, we have our folding e-bikes, like this Carrera Crosscity E, that allows you to travel to work easily. Perfect for arriving to work at a fraction of the time without breaking a sweat. Its folding frame means the bike is extremely compact and easy to store, and if you decide not to ride, it can be taken on most public transport without booking in advance. Or if versatility is what you're after, perhaps the Carrera Crosspath E electric hybrid bike is your perfect ride. It combines all the best elements from both road and mountain bikes and features a step-through frame making it easy to get on and off. Halfords e-bikes aren't disguised motorbikes to conform with UK law. There are no throttles and the motor assistance cuts out above 15.5 miles per hour, which is a common average speed for a fit cyclist. So after that, it's all up to you and your legs. The best way to get a feel for these bikes is to visit a store and take a free 30-minute test ride. You'll be amazed how much fun they are. If you want to delve deeper, head online where you can see our full range and book a 48-hour e-bike trial. If you'd like more information on e-bikes, pop in store where a member of the team will be happy to help. Or to see our full e-bike range, head over to the Halfords website.